Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a digital product and sell digital products on your Shopify store. I've created a new development store and we're going to sell a random digital product that I have on my computer. And first you're going to go ahead and go down to the left hand side and go to apps, and you're going to search digital and press enter. It'll bring you to this app store, and where it says digital downloads, I want you to click on that app and press install. This will lead you back to Shopify, where you need to give it permission. So press install app up here in the top right, and now it's installed. I have no products in the store, so I need to add a new product. I'm going to add a product. We'll call it test digital product, and I'm going to say test digital product and let it generate some description, and I'll keep that. I'll put it at 25 cents. And since this is a digital product, I don't want to track quantity, I want to charge tax, and I don't want this product to require shipping because there is no physical component to it. I'm going to clear out some of this other stuff, and I'll press save. Great, so we've created the product, and now we need to attach the digital file. So to do so, we need to go to more actions in the top right and press add digital file. And you can just upload your file you want. I'm going to choose one of my most recent thumbnails. Press open, and it'll take a second here. And there it's loading. And we're done. So now I go ahead and press back. Oops. We want to save this first. And now I can press back, and my product is here. It's active, and that is a random digital product. So let's go ahead and show you how this would look on your store. I've turned on Bogus Gateway already so that I can create a test order and not have to actually pay for the order. Okay, I found the product page for this test digital product. I'm going to go ahead and press buy it now. And I'm going to enter some random info here. And like some random street. That's fine. I'm going to press continue. And I'll go ahead and put in 1 because that is the Bogus Gateway card for success. I'm going to put in a random name, random date in the future, and then a random security code, and press pay. And it's going to give me a success message here, or at least it should. There it is. And it's going to prepare your downloads. And here in a second, it will allow me to download it. Now I can download it now that I've purchased it, and it just downloaded to my computer. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos, and I will see you next time.